Hey guys, in today's video we're going to how to play St. Judy's Comet by Paul Simon. We've got no capo and we're going to be playing chord shapes in E major. I'm just going to quickly play through the verse for you so you get an idea of what it roughly sounds like. Something like that. So I'll just talk through the picking pattern I'm using there. I'll just demonstrate on an E major chord. I'm playing, I should say you can use whatever picking pattern that you'd like a standard Travis pick would work quite well. I recommend something that pulls out the first and second string because we're playing a lot of, we're starting on an E11 and we're going to an A major 7, and those kind of 7s and 9s and 11s are really in the second and first string, so you want a pattern that emphasises those. But yeah, I'll just demonstrate on a standard E major chord for now. I'm doing like a modified Travis pick, I suppose, where I'm plucking the 6th string on 1, plucking 4, 3, 2 and 1 on the and of 1, 1 and, then on 1 and 2 and 1 and 6, 2, 4. So that's the first half of the pattern, and that takes you up to beat 3. And on beat 3, we're playing 6 and 1 together, pinching. So that's 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. And then on the and of 3, I'm playing 4, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So again, we're hearing this bass on the beat every time, and then just playing 3, 4 to finish it off. So after beat 3, it should sound like. That's 6 and 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4. I'm putting the whole pattern together. And when you speed it up, you get something like this. Yeah, well, I guess we'll get into the verse now. Just there's a bit of a complicated pattern, so just kind of take your time, practice it, keep it slow to begin with. And if you're struggling with it, you can always just play like a standard Travis pick. There's a video on my channel explaining that, and plenty of other better ones probably on YouTube you can have a look at. Okay, so now we'll just go through the song bit by bit. We're starting on an E11 chord. And you get that by playing the 2nd fret of the 4th and 1st strings, dropping in the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and the 6th string open. Now applying our picking pattern, and we're going to be on this chord for a little while. So we've got ooh, little sleepy boy, do you know what time it is? Apologies for singing. The hour of your bedtime's long and past. So you've got all the way up to past, you're just staying on that chord. And on past, we're coming to this A major 7. So if you just play an A major chord like this, you have this E string ringing out on an E, which is the 5th of the chord. If you bar all of these, you bring this E string up to an F sharp, so it's now the 6th, and this is an A6 chord. And then dropping the pinky on the 7th, on the 4th fret. Bring again, so you just shifted the bass from here to here, up to the 7th now. So you have an A major 7 chord, and one round of the picking pattern on there. So, ooh, little sleepy boy, do you know what time it is? The hour of your bedtime's long and past. And though I know you're fighting it, we come onto this. So D, it's like a C9. It's been shifted up 2 frets, and we put the middle finger onto the A in the bass, so it's like a D9 with an A in the bass. And we're just doing, we're not on it for very long, like about half of that picking pattern. So now I'm just reverting to a standard Travis pick. Lyrically, what we had, long and past, and though I know you're fighting it. So on though we're here, and on fighting we go down. I can tell, and on tell, we bring the whole shape down from this D with an F sharp, D with an A in the bass, down to the first fret. So now we've got a B with an F sharp in the bass. I just play what we've got so far. Ooh, little sleepy boy, do you know what time it is? The hour of your bedtime's long and past. And though I know you find it, I can tell when you tell. And we've got this phrase coming up. Tell when you rub your eyes, you're fading fast. So what I'm doing there is, we're on this B9 with the F sharp in the bass. Do like one round of Travis picking on it, and then we're going to shift the bass onto the A string. And then come to an E major. So you're doing each for a beat. And then coming to a stake on the A, E, and then coming to an A major chord. So now again the bass has changed from the E to the A. And lyrically you've got tell when you rub your eyes. So on I, tell when you rub your eyes, you're fading fast. And on fast we go to the A, fading fast. And back to that picking pattern we had. And that's the verse basically done. And when you're on this A, you can do a little hammer-on pull-off thing on the third fret of the second string. So before you come back. Yeah, and that fits over all of the verses. So I guess I'll just demonstrate another verse. Won't you run, come see St. Judy's Comet roll across the skies, leave a spray of diamonds in its wake. I long to see St. Judy's Comet sparkle in your eyes when you awake. Sorry for the singing. When you wake awake. Similarly for the last verse. Well, I sang it once and I sang it twice, gonna sing it 3 times more. Gonna stay till your resistance is overcome. Cause if I can't sing my boy to sleep, when it makes your famous daddy look so dumb. Look so dumb. So this is exactly the same. So we just got the chorus to learn. And for that we come to this A major 7 again. Little boy, little boy. And we're just going to be recycling the chords that we had. So the section of the verse that went A major 7, D9, D9 where we keep the pinky rooted but slide everything else down. So we're just using that pattern, except rather than then sliding down to a B, we're going to come to an E straight away. So like that. Lyrically you've got, little boy, won't you lay your body down? Little boy, won't you close your weary eyes? So just like that. If you could play it in the verse, it's just the same. And then we're coming up here. Ain't nothing flashing but the fireflies. Something like that. So for that, we're up at the 4th fret, barring everything, and dropping the middle and ring finger in on the 5th fret of the 2nd and 3rd string. And I'm just Travis picking throughout here. So I'm doing 1 round of Travis picking on this chord shape and then taking off the ring finger. And then I'm coming to a C sharp minor. You're just doing 1 beat on each of the following chords. C sharp minor, C minor, B minor. And then we go down to B flat minor, A. And you can do a little walk down, 4th fret of the 6th string, 2nd fret of the 6th string, and then to the E. So up to speed, that's better. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. I guess I'll just play a verse into a chorus so you can see how it fits together. Won't you run, come see St. Judy's Comet roll across the skies, leave a spray of diamonds in its wake. I long to see St. Judy's Comet sparkle in your eyes when you awake. When you awake. Little boy, won't you lay your body down? Little boy, won't you close your weary eyes? Ain't nothing flashing but those fireflies. The walk down's a little bit tricky to get in at speed. But yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Any improvements, like I say, I don't think this is like exactly what, like they say, the finger picking style is using, or I think the chords are fairly accurate. But yeah, if you got any improvements, please let me know, and any other suggestions, let me know. And yeah, have a great day.